Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Civil Supplies Department working on improvised data collection of ration card holders. Electronic ration card project awaits financial sanction. Muttalik rejected again. North Goa District Magistrate rejects Ram Sene Chief's plea to visit Goa for 10 days. Total 5 candidates file nomination for Panji by poll. 2 independents file nominations on last day. Election on 13 February. Boma village turns tense over shifting of electricity pole. Ponda police detained 14 people for unlawful assembly and obstructing government servants at work. And Jharkhand beats Goa by 8-3 goals in 36th Sub-Junior Football Championship. Gaurav Mukhi of Jharkhand proves eliminator with 5 goals. Now the news in detail. Government has decided to crack down on bogus ration cards across the state. Civil Supplies Department will open exclusive centres at each panchayat and municipality for collecting the data to digitize ration cards. Digital ration cards pilot project launched in Bardes proved to be a failure as many card holders didn't report. Now the department has improvised the procedure of data collection for ration cards and is ready to enforce the ambitious project, awaiting government's financial sanction.
After Prudent expose on ration cards and mismatch of population records in the state, Civil Supplies Department has pulled up sleeves to plug in the loopholes. Department is working on the digital ration card project. Following a failure of pilot project in Bardes, the Civil Supplies Department authorities are working upon procedures for perfection in the data collection for the electronic ration cards. What exactly the pilot project was? 70,000 forms were distributed through public distribution systems and only 44,000 people turned up for digitization of the ration cards. Remaining 26,000 did not. Some migrated to other areas while some people are not lifting their rations quota left out. This is the reason for the failure of the pilot project of digital ration cards in Bardes. Now Civil Supplies Department has decided to open the centers in each panchayat and municipality to collect the accurate data of ration card holders. Data of thumb impression, eye slides, number of persons and the income of the family will be collected. For left out people, Civil Supplies Department will also open exclusive centers in every taluka. Director of the Civil Supplies Dipali Naik said the project of issuing digital ration card will be initiated very soon.
Example दिले की खंयचो एक भायलो मनीस हांगा आयलो आनी हांगा गोंयान रावपाक लागलो 6 म्हयने रावलो ताका ताजें रेशन कार्ड थंयचें डिलिशन जर ताणें हाडत जाल्यार हांगा आमी तांकां रेशन कार्ड इश्यू करचें पडटा कित्याक ताजें फूड ग्रेन्स इश्युअन्स इज द मेन इश्यू हियर. Census is not connected with any food grain issuance.
Referring to the Prudent expose on the bogus ration cards, Director of Civil Supplies said due to migration of people from other states, number of ration card holders increased in this state. To avail central food schemes, department issues cards to the needy beneficiaries.
फिल्डान वचून व्हेरिफिकेशन करतली पंचायत वायज व्हेरिफिकेशन करतली बेनिफिशरीज आनी आयडेंटिफिकेशन करतली NSFA नॅशनल फूड सिक्युरिटी हे काम आमी आतां मोठ्या जोरान घेवपाक जाय.
Under the electronic ration card project, Civil Supplies will collaborate with Goa Electronics Limited for digitization of ration cards, but the project still awaits the state financial sanction. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
North Goa District Magistrate has rejected Ram Sene Chief Pramod Muttalik's plea to allow him to visit Goa for 10 days in February. North Goa District Magistrate in her order has observed that visit of Pramod Muttalik in the state may create communal tension. During the hearing before the District Magistrate earlier, North Goa Police had opposed the plea of Muttalik.
North Goa District Magistrate Neela Mohanan on Tuesday rejected Ram Seni Chief Pramod Mutalik's plea to allow him to visit Goa in the month of February. District Magistrate has consented with the opinion of North Goa Police that visit of Pramod Mutalik may create law and order problem in the district. North Goa Police had also opposed Mutalik's visit in view of Panji's by-election. Mutalik had written a letter to the authorities asking for a grant of 10 days stay in the state to visit temples and ashrams. But denying him permission, North Goa District Magistrate in her order has observed that entry of Pramod Mutalik or any of the associates or members of Ram Seni could adversely affect peace and harmony in Goa and create fear in minds of public and tourists. The Seni chief had earlier announced to set up organizational unit in Goa in February this year and had also said that organization will make people aware against pub culture in the state. The Ram Seni chief has earlier said that he will seek a legal remedy if the government denies him the entry in the state. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Total 7 candidates, including 2 dummy candidates, have filed nomination for Panji by poll. 2 independent candidates filed nominations on Tuesday. It was the last day to file nominations. Dr. Samir Kelekar and Sadanand Vaingankar have filed nominations as independent candidates. Panji by polls are scheduled on 13 February.
Total 7 candidates have filed nominations for Panji by poll. Siddharth Kukalkar, BJP, Vishnu Naik, BJP, dummy, Surendra Furtado, Congress, Sunil Kauthankar, Congress, dummy, Dr. Samir Kelekar, independent, Sadanand Vaingankar, independent, Virendra Devkar, independent. Unless nobody withdraws or is disqualified, then total 5 candidates will be in final fray. Dr. Samir Kelekar and Sadanand Vaingankar filed nomination as independent candidates on last day of filing nominations, that is on Tuesday. Social activist and AAP leader Swati Kerkar, advocate Jatin Naik and other accompanied Kelkar.
पणजे 20 वर्सांच्या कांयच जावना. पार्किंग प्रॉब्लेम, गार्बेज प्रॉब्लेम. पणजेक एक नवी अशें शहर करपा खातीर हांव भायर सरलां. रियो द जानेर म्हणून जे ब्राझिलान शहर आसा तांची सगळी पावर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तांच्या स्वताच्या कचऱ्या पासून तयार जाल्ली आसा. हय, आमी ते पॉसिबिलिटी पळयतात. कचऱ्या पासून आमी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी करून पणजे शाराक स्वताच्याच कचऱ्याचे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी करून कचरो म्हणटा तो इज नॉट अ वेस्ट. आजकाल रिसायकलिंग कचरो खूब व्हॅल्यू आसा. म्हणून वी हॅव टू लूक एट कचरो इन अ पॉझिटिव्ह मॅनर. पयलीं म्हणजे जिखपाची म्हाका फूल खात्री आसा आनी हांव हांगाच उरतलो आनी बाकीचे जे आसात ते नाच जातले म्हणटा हांव.
Sadanand Vaingankar was accompanied by farmers and munkars.
खुबशा लोकां खातीर आनी जो दुर्बल घटका खातीर गरीब सारको घटक आसा हेंच्या अगेन्स्ट एक कायदो पास जालो आनी दुर्दैवान 40 आमदारांतल्या कोणीच तेका एकट्यान सुद्दां ओपोज करूंक ना. आनी असो कायदो जेची फळां आमकां येता ते 24 सप्टेंबर 2017 पासून फुडल्या दिसाच्यान दिसपाक सुरू जातली. आनी तेची फळां ही कळपा खातीर लोकांक कितें आसतली हेची फळां हे एक झलक दाखोवपा खातीर ही पणजे मतदारसंघाची पोटनिवडणूक आमी सगळ्या शेतकऱ्यांनी लडोवपाचें ठरयलें. दिसपाक आमी खूब कमी आहात कित्याक हो युनायटेड ना, आमी स्कॅटर्ड लोक आसात, अनऑर्गनायज्ड लोक आसात हे सगळे शेतकरी बांधव म्हणून हांगा कमी संख्येन दिसता. पूण येणाऱ्या फुडल्या 11 दिसाच्या टायमान आमी दाखोवन दितले हो कायदो कितलो वायट आसा तो.
Panji by poll. 27th January Tuesday, last date of filing nominations. 28th January Wednesday, date of scrutiny of nominations. 30th January Friday, last date for withdrawal of candidature. 13th February Friday, poll date. 16th February Monday, counting and results. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Tulshidas Chari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.